step by step how to register your account, how to buy, how to sell. Hi family, I'm Khaurelo aka Truda. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you about this amazing app. This app is called Yaga. Yaga is an online shopping and selling platform that allows you to shop and sell online your own belongings, your new stuff, and you can open your own shop. And guys, the most interesting thing that I like about Yaga is that it's the middleman between the buyer and the seller. So it eliminates the chances of being scammed by the seller, and it also eliminates the chances of you not getting your money back if you have problems, if you happen to encounter problems with the seller. So you can always raise complaints and also get your money back if you happen to have problems. So, and it's also in South Africa. The second thing that it's so very convenient is that they only transfer the money to the seller when the buyer confirms that they have received the order. Otherwise, they don't send you the money, because they have to wait for the buyer to confirm that okay, I've received my order and I'm so happy with my order, before you get your money. So do you see how convenient it is? And I've personally also been trying to register my online store through a closet, like having a website where people can go and buy. So I've had a lot of challenges when I tried to register with was it Shopify or something like that, because I had to like go through their international payment procedures that were like required a lot of information. So with Yaga it made it very simple for me, because I just had to put like my account number from whichever bank that you're using, Capitec, FNB, whatever. So after doing that, and I was able to register my store online, which you're probably gonna have to see here, I think. Yeah, Yaga made it very easy for me to register my store online since I came across it, and I just registered, and now I also have mine. But if you want to have yours, you can also just register, or you can also register as a blogger, but then I'm not there yet. I'm gonna have to record my screen first, and then I'm gonna have to show you guys how to go step by step, how to register your account, how to buy, how to sell, how to engage with other bloggers and influencers. So in the meantime, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I'm just going to show you the procedure of downloading the app and then how the app operates. What you can do is, it's either you can open your Play Store, it doesn't really matter, or your Apple Store. What you can do from there is you just click there by the search button and search Yaga. After searching Yaga, it's going to show you the app. In this case, I've already downloaded mine, so I'm just going to go on and log in. It requires you 3 different accounts to log in. You can either use your Google account, your Apple account, or your Facebook account. In this case, I'm using my Apple account, okay, because it's much faster. So guys, after logging in, I'm just going to show you an example of buying through a closet. What you're going to do is just you're going to type your store name. In this instance, I'm just going to type Through a Closet, and then after typing, your store will appear, and then I'm just going to show you how to buy through that. And then you're going to click through your store, and then you're going to browse to check different types of items with colors and different sizes and different prices. So in this case, I'm going to click the small one, the lace with a silk touch. So going down, we have different types of deliveries. So which one are we going to start with? I'm going to choose Pep. We're going to choose Pep, and we're going to type the nearest Pep store around your area. So mine in this case, it's Central Town. So I'm going to go through all the Peps in Central Town. So here closer to Center Walk, so I choose Center Walk, and then I'm gonna put up my phone numbers, my cell numbers, where they're gonna contact me when they deliver the stuff. So going down, we're gonna choose what payment method. On payment method, we're using credit or debit card. So here we're gonna put on our details, your card number, your card holder, and your expiry date and everything, and just go on and pay, and we're done. So different people sell from this app. So I'm gonna show you an example of one. Let me pick let's go back to Zara. I'm gonna show you guys how people that are selling Zara are gonna appear here after I've typed. So I'm gonna choose whatever that I like from whoever that is selling. So I'm just gonna choose and pay and go on. So from here, I'm gonna show you from bloggers and influencers, people like you and me who are selling their own stuff. So let's click to Google. Google is selling different kinds of heels and handbags. So if I feel like I wanna buy maybe one of Google's handbags or heels or whatever, I'm just gonna click and buy. Easy like that. If you might have like your old clothes you wanna sell, so do check on my description box. If you want to be an influencer, I'll be showing you guys certain platforms that you have to use to get there, and that will be in the next video that I'll be uploading.